Hey guys, Poonam here and I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox Euphorbia box. So this is the February edition of Euphorbia box, which is one of the cheapest and the most affordable subscription boxes. So let's open this and see. This is how the Euphorbia box looks like. This is all the stuff that we received in February box. But before we unbox this box, let me show you what the brand has to say about it. The Euphorbia box is priced at Rs.248 and it has products worth Rs.1250, which is a good deal. It contains a total of 4 full-size products and there will be additional shipping charges of Rs.12. So the total makes out to be Rs.260 per box. And early 200 subscribers will get Insight eyeliner. The order can be placed on the Euphorbia website. The Euphorbia website link is here, or you can check in the description box as well. So yeah, that's it. Now let's unbox our box and see what all we have. The first thing is this one. This is the Instant Glow Magic Pack, and it contains chocolate and cocoa butter, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. Basically a lot of good stuff, and it retails for Rs.450. And I guess Magic Dust is the brand name, and it's organic, it is fresh, it is natural. So let's open it. It smells so amazing. It's like a chocolate in a jar. So I guess it's a chocolate face pack and I can't wait to use it because it smells so amazing. I wish I can make you smell through the camera. It smells nice. Can't wait to use it. Next thing is a lipstick. So this is the 7 Seas matte lipstick. Oh, the packaging is really interesting. It retails for Rs.300. I got it in the shade 201, which is red matte. So yeah, let's open this. See, my lipstick broke. Sadly, my lipstick broke. I have seen some videos where they put the lipstick back into the container by melting the bottom. So I'll try that, but for the time being, this is the lipstick. The lip shade is really pretty. It's like a warm orangey red, like a beautiful powdery matte finish, and I quite like it. The next thing is again a lipstick, and this is the matte look lipstick. It's a matte look, super matte lipstick. I got it in the shade, it's for Rs.350, and I got it in the shade 02. Oh, it has a super cute packaging. Let me open the seal. Wow, I'm really loving the packaging of it. It has a like bullet, or I don't know. It is a very roundish. It reminds me of the bread cutlets that we used to have on like Sunday breakfast. So yes, this is the matte look lipstick. And this is the color. Oh my god, so pretty. It's so nice. Let me swatch it for you. Nice. Now the last product is a jewelry item, and it's a nose pin. It's from Neon Creations and it is for Rs.150. I haven't tried nose pins lately. I used to have one nose pin, but then I closed it because I didn't like the look of it because I have a big nose. But yeah, this is the nose pin and let's see how it looks. I haven't tried nose pin in the longest while, so hopefully it works for me. But let me know, what do you think? How is it looking? We have few more things left. So this one is the card. I guess this is the monthly theme of the box. It's the I Love lipstick. And the second thing is a 10% discount code on the Magic Dust. And you have to call. They have their number listed as well as the website name. So I'll mention these details in the description box. So if you are interested in that Magic Dust face pack, you can try that with the 10% discount. And yes, that's all what I received in my February Euphorbia box, and I really hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the red subscribe button below. And let me know in comment section below, what do you think about this month's box? Do you like it? And your thoughts on this nose pin look. Let me know in comment section below. Would love to hear it from you. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.